I'm Bonnie Ellaway, and we worked with Hold'em Fencing, and we had an 8-foot deer fence installed. We have a vegetable garden. I want trees and plants that just the deer will devour, so we need protection. We would have deer just walk through. This was a freeway for deer, and they would stop and eat everything. Now they just walk around the back and peek through, and they haven't tried to jump it. We decided we wanted a deer fence, and it needed to be 8 feet high. So I phoned around different fencing companies. Nobody did this. It's a special thing. So I was referred to Hold'em Fencing. When I called Logan, I told him what we wanted. He spent a long time on the phone with me. He's very patient. And he looked at the Google Earth, and we mapped out different options. And then he gave us the option of these metal posts, alternating, 3 metal, 2 wood, and that really helped with the price point. And it's still very sturdy. It is great, and it looks good, and we are thrilled. It's for the product that we got for what we paid. And it's actually strong enough for cattle. And our neighbors do rent out their field for cows. So they love it. They're very happy with this. Jacob, who installed it, top notch, hard worker, honest as they come, and a real family man, good guy. They were a fantastic team. Showed up on time, just kept things meticulous. It was great. Hold'em Fencing is great.